Hello everyone, good evening to all. Today I am going to solve a question on status 118. The question is jury 1. Here the question says you are given an integer x. Two integers a and b are said to be a jury pair if the following conditions are satisfied. A jor b equal to x and a and b are less than x and less than x and more than equal to 0. Among the pair which satisfy the above two conditions, b minus a is as small as possible. For example, x equal to 6. 0 and 6 have jor equal to 6 and 6 minus 0 equal to 6. But in case of 2 and 4, 2 jor 4 equal to 6, but 4 minus 2 equal to 2, which is less than 6 minus 0 6. So in case of x equal to 6, we have to print 2 and 4 as a and b in our answer. So in case of 1 we have 0 and 1, in case of 2 0 and 2, in case of 3 you have 0 3 and 1 2, but 2 minus 1 is less than 3 minus 0. And similarly in case of 4 you have to print 0 and 4, in case of 6 you have to print 2 and 4. So here the question says you have given an integer n and you have to print two integers, so that a jor b equal to n and b minus a should be minimum as possible minimum. A b minus b should be minimum. In case of n equal to 6, you have 0 6 2 and 4. 0 jor 6 equal to 6, 2 jor 4 equal to 6, but 4 minus 2 equal to 2, 6 minus 0 equal to 6, 2 less than 6, so you have to print 2 and 4 in case of n equal to 6. So to solve this question, you have to find out in case of 1 it is 0 1, in case of 2 equal to 0 2, in case of 3 equal to, you have two possibility. In case of 3 0 3 1 2, but this is less, so 1 2. In case of 4 equal to 0 and 4, in case of 5 equal to 5 have 0 5 1 0 5 1 4. 1 4 can give 5, so you have to print this in case of 5. In case of 6 you have 2 4, in case of 7 equal to 3 4, in case of 8 equal to 0 8. So after writing this from 1 to 8, you can find one pattern that in case of 0 2 4 8, this is always 0 1 0 2 0 4 0 8, but between them, but 5 have 1 4 6 have 2 4 7 have 3 4. So this is the pattern to solve the question. So in this case of n equal to 17, you have to find nearest square number. So in case of 17 you have to 16 and 1, 16 1. In case of 18 you have 16 2, and in case of x equal to n equal to 38, you have print 32 module, then this is 38 modulo 32, so this is 6. So this is in case of n equal to 50, you have to print 32, and this is 50 modulo 32, which is 18. In case of 50, so in case of 38 you have to print 32, and this is 38 modulo 32. And in case of 50 you have to print 32, this is 32, and this is 50 modulo 32. You can take 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. This 32 comes because this is the nearest to 50, which is perfect, which is a factor of 2. And in case of 32 you can, in case of 38, 32 is the nearest factor which give 2. So similarly you can solve the questions. So let's come to the coding part. Here also I have write the same code which I explained in pen and paper. Here in case of here I take inputs, then I store the value of n in x, then I initialize s by 1, then I find the nearest number which is the multiple of 2, nearest number which is the multiple of 2. So then I print the nearest multiple of 2 in the as b, and then n modulo s as a, because we have to print two numbers a and b. So this is a and this is b. Now I am going to run the code. I think this will give the right answer. Yes, 0 1 0 2 1 2 0 4 0 2 4. Now I am going to submit the code. I think this will get accepted. Yes, thanks everyone.